Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard accumulation versus distribution. Let's dive into these two distinct investment strategies and understand their core differences. Accumulation funds automatically reinvest any income generated, aiming for long-term capital growth. Conversely, distribution funds pay out income to investors, providing regular cash flow. The best choice depends entirely on your personal financial situation and objectives. The accumulation phase is all about growing your wealth over an extended period. When you choose an accumulation fund, any dividends or interest earned are automatically reinvested back into the fund. This strategy leverages the power of compounding, allowing your investments to grow significantly over decades. It's particularly beneficial for those in their 20s, 30s, and 40s who are building their retirement nest egg. In contrast, the distribution phase focuses on generating a steady stream of income from your investments. With a distribution fund, earnings are paid out to you as cash, which can be used to cover living expenses or for other immediate needs. This approach is often favored by individuals in or nearing retirement who rely on their investments for regular income, prioritizing cash flow over aggressive growth. Deciding between accumulation and distribution depends on your individual circumstances. If you're years away from retirement and focused on wealth building, accumulation is likely your best bet. If you need regular income now, distribution is more appropriate. There's no single better option. It's about aligning your investment strategy with your personal financial journey. Remember to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.